Alright y'all, so I'm here back with another YouTube video bringing to you the new location of where the new Power Build gym is going to be. And we got Colin, the owner, pulling up right now, so we're going to bring you guys like an insider sneak peek as to what's going on and what we have planned. I'm so fucking excited. Like, this place is going to be huge, like the size of a grocery store, and it's going to be like one of the sickest gyms on the East Coast for sure. So it's still in progress. It's looking to be open like late summer, so we're gonna go in there, hit a deadlift session, and just kind of see what's good and kind of hear as to what Colin has planned for the new spot.
Through the back.
Damn, so you got everything like gutted out and everything as flushed out as to like how the walls are gonna be and whatnot, like right here. Like what's gonna be all of this right here?
The locker rooms will be like this and over is the locker room. This is the entrance for the women's.
Okay.
And then the men's is down at that far end. So yeah, you'll roll through. The women's will go in there. Men's will go in here.
Okay.
Like these are like pretty big ass locker rooms. This will be like a little utility closet. You'll literally come in straight through the front.
God damn, this place is big as shit. Oh my, and it just goes all the way down. No way.
So like, yeah, that would be the entrance. That little side door there is gonna be like, actually probably where Ken's has some of her people come through. But you'll have like a front here and everything. People will most surprised coming through the front.
You're gonna have, where are you gonna have the turf? Like kind of right here?
Yeah, so if you look, where is it? Right here, there's like this tape. The turf starts down here. All the way to like where you see the roll of turf.
Just extends down.
Yep, 12 feet wide, 60 feet long.
You're gonna have like, where are you gonna have mirrors? Like along this wall or this wall right here?
So that's the thing, is like right when you come in, you're gonna come in like a front desk area.
Okay.
There's gonna be multiple office spaces.
Okay.
On this side, Ken's salon and the pro shop will be against this wall.
Okay.
So then, like, where you see that framing still on the wall there, that's gonna be drywall. That's gonna be like the dumbbell area. We'll do like a big ass sign above that as well, and that's like all gonna be mirror all over.
Oh my God.
So it's like, I think it's about like 35, 40 feet of mirrors. And then, I don't know what we'll do on this side of the wall. This is obviously all getting painted black. Like all these walls will be black. And we'll probably go do some mirrors here as well, going down to the end of that wall.
That goes crazy.
Yeah, so.
This art that you have, man, is actually nuts.
Yeah, it's fucking silly, right?
Are you kidding me? That is actually nuts. And how long did it take them to do this right here? 3 days? 3 days? Only
2.5, really, yeah, they fucking banged it out.
So what, are these just like letters right here? Like what is that? Like, is that just a design kinda?
Yeah, it's like their name. But it's obviously like just fucking abstract as can be.
This goes so hard right here.
Yeah. And then this is the artist that did my tattoo. Aster, like that's what that says. It's like his name. But he'll just do it in like fucking
oh my God.
crazy ass ways. And
dude, the videos here are actually gonna be like astronomically like it's gonna be ridiculous. So right here, we got the custom dumbbells, custom made for the gym and everything. Got the whole logo right here. Hella clean. My God. And then set up a speaker back here. Took me like 3-4 minutes to set the speaker up, so you can play some music because we're gonna get a workout in. Hopefully I'll be training here over the next couple days and kind of just like promote the gym more in the sense where like people are just gonna be seeing the new spot. So I'm excited, man. Honestly, just anytime I get a new spot to train at, it's just like so exciting. Can't wait to make a shit ton of content here. It's gonna be great. All right, so we brought out a pallet of plates, put together a deadlift jack right here. Got my boy Jeff in the building. Got a bunch of other people here to work out. So we're gonna get live. We got some music going. We gotta set up, I think, 1 or 2 more deadlift platforms, and then we got the bars out and everything. We can just start working out. So let's get after it. All right, so we got the whole platform set up right here. Combo racks in the back. Let's start deadlifting. What you know about it?
gon' handle that finish shit. Nobody innocent. If you ain't that bitter like that, all I just give is sentences.
Hey,
my minutes and
hey, hey, yo,
when you caught your mother. That's what brothers do for one another. That's the only reason I ain't put you under. That's double G and make a nigga cry. Talking big kicky till a nigga off you on the hands I be forcing. Belly truck when I'm sliding, my bitches exotic. My hands off the wheel when I'm parking. Zero told me get the cat. I'm in with the denims, don't ask me.
Dude, I honestly can't even stress how excited I am now that I'm here finally lifting to just be able to bring you guys content out of this gym, actually just kind of documenting the process, because it's so sick. It's literally just in an empty warehouse and just combo racks and deadlift platforms. Shit's nuts, and I just can't wait to spend so many nights here just grinding it out. Soon we're gonna add more and more accessories, or more and more machines for accessories and whatnot. We'll get the dumbbells eventually, so we'll probably record compounds here and then go over to Conshohocken and then hit accessories over there. So I'm just glad to be able to record for you guys over here. I'm just excited because you guys got a shit ton of content coming. That's all I gotta say.
Bitch, me, this and get a nigga job wide. Beat your baby mama, throw so long, she say a job time. Young said that you're a nigga wet, cause I got more ties. I'm a whack. Take, bro. Doing that for everything I ever stick, bro. I'm back on my old shit. I never show no signal when I'm in the floor. Now I'm up and I'm thinking, it ain't nothing that I can't afford. When I'm fucking the bitch, I record. Make a movie when I'm on board. People sticking the gun in the drawer. She gon' fuck me to stand. My people proud. Really think they keep on this shit. Yeah, I don't like the way I made a way for you. Really, I wish you would pay for you. All this shit started on these keys. Control me when I'm cold. As the trenches, they gon' say I'm the right. I'm fishing the difference between me.
Alright, so this is the big man himself, the owner of Power Builder right here, Whitney Strength and Performance as well. So he's the one that's the mastermind when it comes to Power Build and the new spot in general. Just kind of wanted to ask him, what's your kind of plans in the terms of the next coming weeks and up until the opening?
Yeah, so it's been a long ass road. Obviously you guys know what's went on the last year. It's just been a shit show for everyone. So obviously trying to open another location, it's been a mess. But we're moving along now. The last month we've kicked it up a notch. Contractors have been in here daily.
A lot of shit's gone done.
A lot of shit has actually went up. I mean, it still looks kind of bare in here now that I'm looking around, but a lot has also happened. We started with a bare bones spot. There was nothing in it, literally nothing. So we're coming along. Timeline wise, I wish I had a grand opening date. Right now it's still up in the air. We're literally just kind of breaking it in now. We're starting to get some of the equipment up. This is kind of the first little session we're doing with the homies. Just had to break it in, right?
Had to.
So we're looking good for the meet in July. We have a meet here July 24th. Come through if you want to get a first look. And then we're looking mid to late August for probably a grand opening, absolute banger. You guys will see a lot of special guests coming through. We want to do a deadlift only, unsanctioned competition.
That'd be
Throw some
fun.
money on the line. Get some big name lifters come in here and have some fun. So you'll have a grand opening date soon, but we're moving.
Yeah. So I'm gonna keep you guys posted when it comes to just opening dates in general, but you guys go ahead and follow Power Build KOP on Instagram. That's what it is, right? Yeah, so keep you guys posted when it comes to any grand openings, but it's coming together. It's just really cool to be able to come in here and shoot content. It's really cool to see the bare bones kind of style where you just see the outline, and we're just gonna see the progression over time. But you guys can be able to come here soon, around month and a half to 2 months from now. So I'm excited for you guys to see it.
Parents are making money as you can afford to be dramatic. Y'all some drama queens for real. It's all good though. You now tune into the biggest ever. YMCMB, Socially, Young Angel, Young Lion, man. Y'all boys get on the track with Onika Mirage and y'all still die. Put that bitch up in the air, fly that bitch up out of LA to Charlotte, pick up the bar with a cook up my head, cause I'm happy, nigga. Me and my little bitch be dressed, get the salad. Okay, we'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, hey, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, we'll see what's about to happen. I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I thought you was giving your chain away. It's kinda like giving your fame away. We still try to keep mine smiling. Cause when the teeth stop showing and the stomach start falling and the heat start rolling, if you follow her, I know you feel me. Then my sneak start cleaning and the heat stop working. Then my feet start working. I'm around me a person. Catch a nigga sleeping while he out in the open. And I'ma get it. We gotta raise our kids while we living. Make a million off a record. Tell my niggas out of prison. Help them Benny on the left. Just my boys in the squatter. Living so fast. And I ain't with the slipping. But I never snitching. I'm a rider. If my kids hold me back, glasses out your kitchen. I'll be riding till they kick me out of order. We keep the knives tucked, chop down, tuck, playing about it.
Traumatized, still that nigga in my mama eyes. Trying to see a nigga mama cry. I ain't trying to be a homicide. I got a daughter, plus a little brother, and my mama that I gotta be a for. Bitch told me stop buying guns, niggas dying. Fuck you think I need them for? I ain't going back. Fuck you think I'm feeding for? I got homies I can see it all. Best friends I can't even call. I ain't laughing, ain't nothing funny. If you fucking money, shit I need it all. I know they
Sir.
Learn about me, watch your business. My whole life, I done changed. Ever since that I got rich, I been thinking about some other new shit. Diamonds on wrist. My whole life, I done changed. And I think that's what you know. On that nigga. Yeah. On that nigga. On that nigga. On that nigga.
Alright, y'all, so as you can tell, deadlifts felt fucking amazing today. I was able to do, so my first back off I did 640 for 4, and that flew like it never felt before. So I literally put on the yellow, which is 661, and I did it for 3 more sets of 4. And like, deadlifts have never felt that good ever in existence after making a small change in my setup. So I'm just like I'm just really happy with how today went. So now, since we have to hit accessories, and there's just the bare minimum here, we're gonna drive over about like 10-15 minutes to the other power build, and we're gonna knock out some accessories there. So I'm gonna film those, and then I'll probably call it a wrap for tomorrow, or I'll probably call it a wrap for this video, and I'll probably bring you guys another video next week. So we'll catch you guys when we get to the next power build.
Check off in my pocket like the yellow paper. Fuck you niggas wood when I was ashy, nigga. Low to the top, I keep it classy, nigga.
Fucking the rap stars, you know who you are. Put your hands up, please. If you kept your legs closed, but you know. Fucking the rap stars, you know who you are. I wrote this song for you. For you, and you.
Okay, so we finished up accessories, just hit some back and core, and we're gonna bench tomorrow, but I don't know if I'm gonna record that because nobody really cares about benching. But we might be back here Saturday night or something else. I'll figure it out. But thanks for tuning in, guys. If you guys watched the whole video, it's my 3rd video this week. Don't get used to it. I just have a lot of free time on my hands, so I'm able to pump out some videos. But other than that, if you guys enjoyed the video, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.